Hello everyone, welcome to BYDFI. Today I will provide a brief explanation on how to register your BYDFI account. First of all, you can visit bydfi.com and on the top right corner, select Get Started to begin registering your account. You can choose to register using an email or phone number and enter your email or phone number, then request for a verification code. First, you need to enter your email address and click the Send button. The code will be sent to your email or SMS. And after that, you can copy the code and paste it in the email or SMS verification code section. Next, enter your password and make sure to include all the capital letters and numbers. After that, don't forget to click on I have agreed and agree to BYDFI's users agreement and privacy policy to continue with the registration process. If you want to receive a 10% discount, you can use a referral code from a BYDFI affiliate partner. And after that, you can click on Get Started once all the required fields are filled in, and your BYDFI account will be successfully created.
Hi everyone, welcome to BYDFI. Today I'll be sharing to you how to complete your KYC, that known as Know Your Customer Verification. But before you start, please note that KYC is a security measure designed to protect your account from fraud, corruption, and other risks. Here's how you can complete your KYC verification. First, log into your BYDFI account. Click the profile menu icon in the upper right corner and select Account Security. On the Account Security page, select KYC Verification. Choose your country of origin. Then you will be redirected to the BYDFI verification web. Make sure you have your ID card ready for the KYC process. Click Start to begin the KYC process. Choose a method for uploading your ID card, such as through a mobile application, taking a photo using a webcam, or uploading files from your device. Now let's try to upload the file from your device this time. Then you can upload the front side of your identity card. Then do a face verification using your webcam camera. Please make sure that you have a good lighting for faster verification. The verification time, it will depend on the queue and is estimated to be completed in 1 hour. Once your KYC is completed, you'll be able to enjoy the full functionality of BYDFI and have a higher transfer and withdrawal quota.